Hey everyone, today I will show you how to deploy a website on Vercel. Make sure that you have already exported your project to a Git repository such as GitHub or GitLab. Once your project is ready in your Git account, open your browser and go to the Vercel website. Log into your account if you have not done so already. After logging in, you will see your Vercel dashboard. On this page, look for the button that says Add New and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Project. On the next screen, you will see a list of repositories available in your Git account. Find the repository where your project is saved and select it. Next to the project name, you will see an option that says Import. Click on Import to proceed. After that, click the Deploy button. Vercel will begin the deployment process, which may take a few minutes depending on the size of your project. Once the deployment is complete, Vercel will provide you with a live URL for your website. You can click on this link to open your website in a browser and check that everything is working correctly. Thanks for watching.